Hi everyone, so today there's no intro, no fancy graphics, just us and a big announcement.
So we're up here in the Templar Suite where we've been working, and we're trying to answer a question that we've been asking ourselves and so many of you, our loyal subscribers, have been asking, is why is the channel not growing the way it should be?
So over the last 6 months, I have been doing so much research and talking to a lot of people as to why this is. Now, I think you've noticed because of the comments that you've been making, but new intros in the vlogs, different sort of formats, spicing it up a lot more. And I'm really enjoying it, and I think you are
absolutely
too.
Brilliant.
However, it hasn't changed a thing.
So the reason for this, as we've discovered, is that the Chateau sector of YouTube is absolutely saturated by some enormous channels. And the lower channels don't get the promotion that we think they deserve.
The only thing we haven't done that was advised to us to do is to rebrand.
Don't panic. I can understand, I can hear it coming through the airways. This channel will still remain the same. The Chateau channel will always stay the same. We're always going to be doing the renovation within the Chateau area and living our French life. However,
instead of rebranding, we're just going to start a new channel. So the new channel, the workshop at the old relay.
Now, you've known for all the time that we've been doing this how passionate we are about upcycling, reusing all the stuff we find around the chateau. And to that end, this is what this new channel is going to be all about.
So on the Chateau channel, you will see the full renovation and the quick times, but the other individual projects where we're recycling and upcycling and reusing and stretching the penny will be on the workshop at the old relay. So actually, you get double bubble, 2 for the price of 1.
Fantastic. Sounds good to me.
But we need your help in growing this channel as quickly as we can. So what we're going to ask you to do is, before tomorrow's vlog goes out, please go over to the channel, watch the trailer, subscribe to it, and then tomorrow night the vlog for the chateau will come out, but so will the new vlog for the workshop at the old relay.
I'll tell you what, I can't wait.
I'm really excited about it, and hopefully you guys are too. So please, please, please help us to grow the channel until we get 1,000 subscribers, and I don't know how many views, but a certain amount of views. We can't monetize that channel, but we really need to be able to continue these renovations for you guys.
Yeah, because it's all about you. It's not about us, it's all about you.
And obviously the chateau.
So like and subscribe, please, and we'll see you there.
Yeah, tomorrow night. Take care, everyone.
Bye
See
now.
you soon. Bye.